Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and we're checking out its video recording quality. Right now recording with the main camera in 4K video quality at 30 frames per second. And let's move around a bit to see the video stabilization. And by the way, you can see the comparison between the Z Flip 3 and the original Z Flip, so you can see if there's any difference, any improvement in video quality with the newer phone. Okay, let's move a bit this way. And now let's switch to the ultra-wide cameras, which both the Z Flip 3 and the original Z Flip have. So right now you should get a much wider perspective, which is very useful in tiny spaces. And I really like having this lens on the phone, and most recent flagships have it, so that's nice to have. What you don't get is a zoom camera, so let's go back to the main camera and just slowly pan up and down, up the sky to the brighter areas, and see how the two phones react to different exposure. And let's bring it back down. So that's what video recording looks on the Z Flip 3. Let me know if you like it, if it's any better than the original Z Flip. My name is Vic, this is PhoneArena, and I'll see you in the next one.